Hey there, food lovers! Get ready to wrangle up the most delicious side dish perfect for any potluck or BBQ. We're making a cowboy pasta salad that's bursting with flavor and super easy to whip up. It's hearty, refreshing, and guaranteed to be a crowd pleaser. For this incredible salad, gather cooked pasta, corn, black beans, bell peppers, red onion, and crispy bacon. Don't forget diced cheddar cheese. The dressing is a simple mix of mayo, a touch of BBQ sauce, apple cider vinegar, and a few secret spices. First, cook your pasta according to package directions, then rinse with cold water and drain well. In a large bowl, combine your cooled pasta with the corn, black beans, diced bell peppers, and red onion. Add in your crumbled bacon and cheddar cheese. Now for that amazing dressing. Whisk together mayonnaise, BBQ sauce, apple cider vinegar, smoked paprika, garlic powder, and a dash of salt and pepper. Pour this creamy, tangy dressing over your pasta mixture. Toss everything gently until every piece is coated in that delicious sauce. Chill your cowboy pasta salad for at least 30 minutes before serving to let the flavors meld. This salad is fantastic for meal prep too, as it tastes even better the next day. It's the ultimate side dish for grilled chicken, burgers, or just a sunny afternoon. So go ahead, give this cowboy pasta salad a try. Your taste buds will thank you, and your friends and family will be asking for the recipe. Happy cooking, everyone!